Welcome to our live show today about high alloy casting and forging. As you may know, we are internal beef alloy casting and forging company. Normally we call ourselves FEB China. Our company is located in Wuxi, Jiangsu province, about 150 kilometers far from Shanghai. So most of our high alloy casting and forging are shipped from Shanghai port by sea or from Shanghai Pudong International Airport by air. The registered capital of our company, EB China, is 13.14 million Chinese yuan. We have been the golden supplier of Alibaba International more than 7 years. Our total online sales on Alibaba International have been more than 4 million US dollars. Okay, next I'll show you some certificates about our company. The first certificate is about Quality Management System Certificate. Our Quality Management System complies with GBT 19001 2016, ISO 9001 2015 requirements. The certificate is valid for the following scope: supply of alloy castings and forgings. On this certificate, you can find our certificate number, certificate date, certificate valid date, date of initial certification. Also, you can find our Unified Social Credit Code of the certified organization. The IAF and CNF are issued by this. Next, the second certificate is about Environmental Management System Certificate. Our Environmental Management System complies with GBT 24001 2016 ISO 14001 2015 requirements. The certificate is valid for the following scope: supply of alloy castings and forgings in the site. On this certificate, you can find our certificate number, certificate date, certificate valid date, date of initial certification. Also, you can find our Unified Social Credit Code of the certified organization. The IAF and the CNAS are issued by this. Next, the third certificate is about Occupational Health and Safety Management System Certificate. Our Occupational Health and Safety Management System complies with GBT 45001 2020 ISO 45001 2020 requirements. The certificate is valid for the following scope: supply of alloy castings and forgings in the sites. On this certificate, you can find our certificate number, certificate date, certificate valid date, date of initial certification. Also, you can find our Unified Social Credit Code of the certified organization. The CNAS are issued by this. Next, I will introduce you this certificate. It's about Verified Supplier Certificate. The certification number is 226779160. On-site assessment of the following areas was conducted by TUV Thailand. It's about company overview, current export situation, quality assurance, certification and photos, human resources, export business capacity, company development, expansion plans, company and product samples. It's valid from October the 23rd of 2021, valid to October the 22nd of 2022. The TUV are issued by this certificate. Next, I will show you this. It's about audited supplier. So audited by FGS CFTC on June the 15th of 2020. Audited report serial number is QIP ASI 204795. The S made in China and the SGS are issued by this. Next, I'll show you another certificate. We have a trademark. We have 5 trademark registration certificates. The first trademark is 千百柱段 in Chinese. The second trademark is EB Casting. The third trademark is EB Bolt. The fourth trademark is 千百科技 in Chinese. The last one is about EB Weld. We also have 5 certificates. They are called Computer Software Registration, Copyright Registration Certificates. For example, the first one is finished on December the 22nd of 2019. We have 5. Next, I will show you this one. It's called Invention Patent Certificate. It was supplied on December the 5th of 2011. Next, I will show you 13 practical new type patent certificates. my dear friend, if you are interested in us, please following us. We have 3 online shops. Next, I'll show you this. We are the member of Wuxi Commerce Chamber. Yes, Wuxi Commerce Chamber of Commerce. We have been warmly participated in the social activities to take the social responsibility.
Okay, my dear friend, this is Julia from EB China. So welcome to our live show about high alloy castings and forgings. So Jenny, so today is Friday, yes?
Yes.
Okay, so now let's meet. So wish you have a nice weekend. Today is a Friday. Okay, so just now, our Jenny, introduced, make the detailed introduction about our company. Yes. So Jenny, so just now you have introduced our all the certificates.
Yes.
Okay, how about the patents?
Yes.
Okay, so my dear friend, so now you will, I'm sure that you will make a better understanding of EB China. EB China not just a commercial organization, not just a supplier of high alloy castings and forgings. Also, we are a high, high technology company. Because we paid much attention to our research and development. Yes. So we have, got 22 patents, and we have 5 trademarks. So my dear friends, if you are interested in our casting and forging parts, please come to us and follow our shops. Yes, follow our shops firstly. Then send your inquiry or your any demand to our to us by email. Yes, by WhatsApp or by TM. You are always welcome. Okay, thank you. Okay. So Jenny, did you have any more information to share with our friends here?
We are the member of Wuxi Commerce Chamber. We have been warmly participated in the social activities to take the social responsibility.
Okay. Yes, EB China is not only a commercial organization. We are actively, to participate in all the social activities to try to get more benefits for the whole society. Yes. So, my dear friends, EB China specializes in wear, heat, and corrosion-resistant castings and forgings. So, Jenny, would you please read show some? Yes. Okay. Okay. So now this is a wear-resistant casting. We call it concrete mixed blades. Yes. This is the material grade is 9 hard cast iron, and we made this for our customers in UK. Yes, you can see the surface finish. Yes, it's very smooth. Okay. Yes, for our company, for our customer in UK. Yes, you will see the bolt holes are also very fine. Okay. So just last week, or just this week, we also will ship our castings to Shanghai port to arrange the shipment. Also, this is also the wear 9 hard white iron wear plates. These products were made for our Australia customer, okay, for mining industry. You will see the bolt holes. Okay. It's very accurate. Okay, so Jimmy, could you help me? Good. Okay, so this is great bars for our furnaces. So this is a heat-resistant steel product series. Yes. Okay. Generally, we will use our high temperature material. Yes, for these products. Okay. Good. Okay. Also, we have many different products for our aluminum, for our corrosion resistant products. So yes, so this is cobalt alloy bars. Yes, also we have the seats for oil and gas industry. Yes, so the surface finish is very very smooth, and the surface finish is also at a very high level. So this one is our aluminum die castings. Yes. Okay. The thickness is very thin, and we adopt a die cast process to make these parts. Also, you will see the small holes, the middle holes, and you will see our surface finish of the cast parts. Okay. Okay. These parts also we made in aluminum parts. Okay, so you will see the machine face, and the finish is also smooth. Yes, we machined the different patterns. Okay. Okay, so my dear friends, now we introduced many different series for our alloys. Also, so now you will understand that actually EB China can provide many different metal products, and including the wear, heat, and corrosion resistant cast and forged parts. Okay, so if you have such kind of inquiries, please come to us. You are always welcome. Okay. So that's all for our introduction, for our live show about our company introduction. Okay, so let's welcome the next live show from my colleague. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Take a photo together. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Who is the next one? Okay. Okay. Welcome.
Hello everyone, this is Sen from EB China. I will introduce you about black tie iron, manhole cover, and grill cover. The advantages of black tie iron. The first one is stress. Tensile stress more than 420 MPa. Yield stress more than 300 MPa. The same as low carbon steel. 3 times the free iron date. Good plasticity. Elongation more than 7%, similar to high carbon steel. But free iron date elongation is almost zero. Strong corrosion resistance. In water spot corrosion test, the corrosion amount in 90 days is only first 40 of the steel pipe and the first 10 of the free iron pipe. The service life is twice that of free iron pipe and 5 times that of ordinary steel pipe. Five, good dumping and low cost. Because of the modular ramp pipe microstructure of modular cast iron. It is superior to cast steel in reducing vibration. An important reason for choosing spiral though. Graphite cast iron is such kind of cast iron has a lower cost than cast steel. The low cost of nodular cast iron makes this material more popular. The casting efficiency is higher. The machine cost of nodular cast iron is also reduced. Characteristics of ductile iron manhole covers. The first is no noise during service, in line with the environmental requirements. The contact surface between the body and the ring is almost zero. We adopt 3 processes to assure 100% seamless match to eliminate the noise when the vehicles are passing by. The second is the tensile strength, toughness, strong bearing force. The above several times that ordinary cast iron, which are close to the material of steel. Securing casting is much better than the national standard. 316 kg. It can withstand all kinds of heavy front rolling. It can effectively prevent the accident from the failure of manhole covers. The third is safety. The integrity to the connection of our safe ductile iron manhole cover will not fall off the ground and will not shift. The fourth is non-slip cast process. The exquisite non-slip casting technology makes our production lines clear and easy. Unique non-slip pattern on the surface of the manhole cover increases the friction to types of ductile iron. 3 colors. First, bigger bearing capacity. Second, better anti-theft capacity. Third, better fixing performance. It will not be lifted or washed away by rainwater during heavy rain. Drainage. Manhole covers are generally designed for drainage when it rains in the city center. The material is generally cast iron with a gap in the middle to facilitate the smooth flow of water to well, and there is generally a row of strong sticks to block dirt or other debris. Easy construction, light in weight, better in load bearing, impact resistant, anti-bending, beautiful and durable automotive. That could treatment, better anti-corrosion. We adopt heat connection or hook connection, which is easy to open and have anti-theft function. Here are some specifications. The size and the shapes of manhole cover. Here are some pictures and its specifications. testing. Second, polish. Third, finished product assembly. And fourth, anti-rust treatment. Thank you for watching. Above is our ductile cast iron manhole covers in the brick covers. Product introduction.
Hello everyone, this is Call from YouTube channel.
Hello everyone, this is Call from China.
Okay, next up, we will introduce the metaphors for you. The catalog, the titanium was the diameter 25 to 120 millimeters. The material GR2, TA2, and GR5 to C5. And the second is a stainless steel balls. The diameter 1.3 to 50.8 millimeter. Material 201, 302, 304, 316, 316L, and 420, 440, 440C. And the third part is cast balls. The diameter is 12.7, 50. 70, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and etc. And the material is GR2, GR10, GR12, etc. And the fourth part is forged balls. The diameter, for example, 20 millimeters, 30 millimeters, and etc. The material is about 40, 50, 60, and 65, 70, and 40 CR, and etc.
需要和海绵 aluminium and its around and its lightweight, high-speed, strong, tight, resistance, and storage resistant. It's known as the metal future. It is a new structure material with a promising future. Titanium is widely used in aerospace, chemical, medical, natural, construction, and automobile industries because of its good corrosion resistance and heat resistance, high specific strength, small acetate modules, and low density.
The applications of titanium. The first step in the aerospace field is managed in aircraft engine parts, aircraft structural parts of each part. Second, in the chemical industry, is mainly used for reactor, heat exchanger, reactor, concentrator, and various anti-corrosion chemical processes, bearing shafts, flange, and some parts. The third is the pharmaceutical industry is mainly used in corrosion resistance. It sells various pumps and valves, trappings, lid, coping fittings. The fourth is the medical field. It is mainly used for structural implants and other medical materials. The fifth, it can also be used for car parts, bicycle frames, and building roofs, and decoration. This is some photos of our titanium boys.
Titanium balls can be used for different purposes according to their materials and specifications. They can be used for jewelry and human function. They can also be used in the medical industry and the material in TC4 ELIGR 23 like divoxy acid and alkali environments. I mean, titanium alloy balls are used as steering balls.
At present, the industrial method of titanium production is the coral method. The product is sponge titanium. The traditional process of making titanium material is to melt titanium sponge into ingots and then process it into titanium material. The main steps from mining to making titanium material are as follows: titanium oil mining, mineral processing, enrichment, rich titanium material, to concentrate, chlorate, commodity, Cl4, refining pure TiCl4, magnesium reduction, titanium sponge, titanium, forced casting ingot, processing titanium or titanium components.
The above steps if the retail is obtained from the mining, the concentration is not required and the production of crude TCI4 can be made directly by coordination. In addition, the testing operation should be a metallurgical process, but sometimes it is also classified as a processing cut.
And this is some photos of making titanium balls. And so now it's testing. This is the testing and taking pictures of our order group. Processing technology. Let's process it to a round blank wall and then grading out a certain degree of roundness. After manual polishing, the surface will achieve the mirror effect. This is some pictures in processing. And this is our order is about testing products. And so on. This is the price list of titanium balls. It has seven heaters, gray, the GR5, and the GR2 price. And the diameter 25 and Disha 25, Disha 30, and other specifications of our titanium balls. The price is for your reference. The second part, stainless steel balls.
Stainless steel is not structured, it's just not easy to run. The principle of which is chromium element to aid in the steel surface to form a layer of dense chromic oxide. The laser can effectively block steel again compared with air, make the oxygen in the air cannot enter inside the steel, and the effort of steel to prevent rust. Classification China national standards, seen as Japanese industry standards GIS.
The 40, the 440 stainless steel balls. The performance hardness to 46 to 56 to 58 degrees. Magnetic good corrosion resistance, wear resistance, and toughness. Applications mainly used in bearings, stamping, hydraulic press, valves, sales, refrigeration equipment, aerospace, high precision, machinery parts, craft, force. The specification is 0.5 millimeters to 100 millimeters.
application 446 stainless steel ore is usually used in industries requiring high precision and resistance. Aviation, aerospace, bearing, the motors, high precision instruments, Bibles, characteristics, mental structure belongs to materials, still the production size requirements are higher. The demonstrate material of standard steel 440 enterprises are relevant to you, so the production of 440 material enterprises are often labeled with the reputation of special standard steel.
The heat treatment process is more than complex, easy to crack, and the precision requirements are higher. It's the hardest steel ball of a stainless steel ball, HRC 50 height. Hardness is close to the bearing steel ball, but has stronger anti-rust, anti-corrosion performance than the former. Compared with the 440 stainless steel ball, it has stronger anti-rust, anti-corrosion performance, hardness enhanced, wear resistance has been improved.
From 13 hardness up to 51 to 52 degrees magnetic corrosion resistance and toughness application suitable for all kinds of precision matching bearings, electrical equipment, means of transportation, household appliances. It is mainly used for parts and components resistant to oxygen, water, and acid.
420 stainless steel balls. The specification is the 2.0 to 25.5.4 millimeters. Application 420 stainless steel balls are usually used in industries with high requirements on precision and rust resistance. The motorized parts poise stainless steel bearings, plastic bearings, crafts, valves, petroleum. The characteristics the matte stick steel, commonly known as stainless steel, magnetic, good rust resistance, high hardness, HRC 50 to 55.
Properties hardness less than or equal to 28 degrees non-magnetic after the guarding strong rust resistance salt water immersion for a long time is not easy to rust application many use this medical divers baby bottles Bibles electric components specification 1 to 50.8 millimeters. 304 stainless steel bore is the most widely used. Yes, a bore on the market can be used in medical equipment, chemical industry, aviation, aerospace, plastic, hardware, perfume, bottles, whereas the viral nail polish, motor switch, electric, iron, washing machine, refrigerators, air conditioners, medical materials, auto parts, bearings, instruments, bottles.
The 304 HC standard steel balls characteristics typical representative of austenitic steel, generally non-magnetic but magnetic after passing through the photosphere can be imaginated the HRC 26 as a good anti-rust, anti-corrosion properties. 304 HC standard steel ball is softer than 304 standard steel ball, easier to process, and 304L standard steel ball. Then both of the parts have stronger anti-rust and anti-corrosion performance, easy to weld, excellent polishing, more suitable for the surface requirements of higher industry.
Properties minus less than or equal to 28 degrees, no measurement after the using strong rust resistance, no corrosion. Application mainly used in medical equipment, food, machinery, cosmetic, accessories, human baby accessories, instrumentation, specification 1 to 34 with 38.1 millimeters.
The 316 or 316L standard steel balls application. 316 standard steel ball is a product with high requirements, usually is in special industries such as medical equipment, chemical, aviation, aerospace, perfume, auto, spiral, aspire, wife, nail polish, body, bananas, mobile, mobile phone panel. The characteristics is austenitic steel is the most high-grade steel ball industry at present. HRC less than or 12 to 26 is the most suitable for the industry with high anti-corrosion requirements, and its performance is superior to 305 standard steel ball.
Properties others less than or equal to 26 degrees, no magnetism after that the stainless steel ball 301 stainless steel polishing board is mainly used in general hardware accessories, also appliance accessories, sampling stainless steel, etc. Specification 1 to 34.1 millimeters.
201 stainless steel balls application. 201 stainless steel ball is widely used in various handwear industries, crafts, plastic products such as lamps, switches, motor, racial accessories, cases, and bags. Various die casting features. It belongs to nickel silver steel, aesthetic steel, non-magnetic with low price and excellent performance. Can be machined, welded to HRC less than or equal to 28. Note: 201 stainless steel ball cannot be used in rust, corrosion resistant industries such as seawater or acid substances.
Application 302 stainless steel balls. Application 302 stainless steel ball is widely used in auto parts, aviation, aerospace, hardware tools, chemical industries. The detail are as follows: arts and crafts, bearings, or medical instruments, joints, electrical appliance. Characteristic 302 stainless steel ball belongs to a steel which is close to 304, but 302 has higher hardness. HRC is less than or equal to 28 with good rust and corrosion resistance.
This is some pictures about our factor in processing. The price list of stainless steel balls. It is just for your reference. For example, the stainless steel balls diameter 4 to 20 millimeters. It has less than 50 kilograms, 10 kilograms, and more than 1,000 kilograms. Of the price is different. It is just for your reference. The price is grade 100, satisfaction. This is the price list of 440 stainless steel balls, and it has many specifications. The diameter F3, and it is bright. The surface finish is bright 10, and the less than 50 kilograms and more than 50 kilograms, the price is different. The third part, it is cast balls.
high chromium steel for thickly or high chromium for most domestic resistant material enterprises are mainly based on the initial medic frequency electric like some electric, some high voltage and chromium alloy materials after reason for merchant and nickel alloying and tinkering the modern iron and aiding make metal more than stand model models casting modeling process system after high temperature and tempering treatment to obtain site in order to achieve higher hardness and wear resistance.
Applications of high chromium alloy castables. The high chromium alloy castables are widely used in powder fabrication and ultra-fine shape processing of industries such as cement, building materials, metal parts, coal slurry, thermal powder, chemical and dairy, the ceramic cuttings, light industrial paper makings, magnetic materials, and other industries. The product has high toughness, low operation, good toughness, and less corrosion. During use, the surface toughness of the sphere will be further improved and the wear resistance will be enhanced. At the same time, the production safety of the mill will be improved and the specific surface area of cement and the recovery rate of concentrate will be improved.
In terms of HRCl chromium alloy castables, in terms of chemical composition, there are dozens of different materials from low chromium or high chromium, which can be described as a wide variety of two standards, industry standards, and that people have a clear understanding of the chromium alloy casting boards, the GB1744 by 2009 National Standard for Casting Reading Boards stipulates that the low chromium or chromium content is 1% to 3% and with the hardness HRC more than 45 multi or alloy or chromium and 4% to 6% hardness HRC more than 47 million chromium or alloy for chromium content 7% to 10% hardness HRC 48 high chromium alloy for chromium content more than 10% to 14% Miners adjusted version 58 special high chromium with chromium and CD 40% and miners adjusted version 58.
The high chromium online castables, most of the grading media used in my country's cement industry are mainly high chromium balls. With the continuous development of cement grading technology, the specific surface area and fineness requirements of cement are more than beneficial. As the cement company, it is particularly important to select the right material for the grading body.